Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video of innovative sales promotion campaign, we have seen how the Bhopal HPCL dealer in a group have implemented various sales promotion scheme which has been given a very excellent result to them. In that video, I promised to share a business idea wherein you can design a promotion scheme along with the other businesses in your surrounding, so as you'll get benefited, your other businesses will get benefited, and finally the customer will get benefited. So in this process, I am going to share a idea on the common loyalty program. Before I'll proceed on this video, I'll request you all to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, so as you'll get an immediate alert as soon as I'll post a video here. This was the bonus card implemented by the Bhopal HPCL dealer. You can get a more detail about this card on an iCard video provided here. This bonus card was a card-based loyalty card program which was having a chip on top of it. This chip was storing the customer details and the loyalty point earned by them. The customer were earning the loyalty point and they were allowed to redeem this loyalty point against the various gifts given in the gift catalog. On this gift catalog, various gifts were shown on a various point level. But the problem was that spending on the petrol pump was very limited and customers were not in position to earn enough point to claim a decent gift from here. So this dealer had started a bonus card supermarket where this bonus card was acceptable and customers were in position to earn the loyalty point on this supermarket also. Apart from that, they enrolled with the medical store, restaurant, etc. So this bonus card acceptability was there at the petrol pump, supermarket, medical store, restaurant, etc. So customers were in position to earn the loyalty point from the various outlets. So they were in position to collect enough number of loyalty points and claim a decent gift item from this gift catalog. This application during that time was designed by Mr. Sunil Kejriwal, who is the owner of the software workshop. He has got an excellent experience in the web-based application and the loyalty application. So the idea which I am going to discuss in this application, if you prefer to develop such kind of a application for the businesses surrounding in your area, you may contact Mr. Sunil Kejriwal for that purpose. What are the things required to retain the customer? Although it is not a marketing presentation, so I am not going into the detail, but the basic things required are the service standard, good quality product at a reasonable price, courteous behavior of the staff, various discount scheme operated by you or sales promotion scheme, and you may give the loyalty point through the loyalty card program. Now, what is the loyalty card program? Basically, implemented mainly for the purpose of customer retention. Basically, a card is being issued to the customer. Generally, it is being implemented by the big houses like Reliance Fresh, Lifestyle, and all big companies are only in position to implement this, and small business houses are not in position to afford this kind of expenditure. In this card program, the customer present his card at every time of purchase, and he gets some loyalty point, which he can get some gift after redemption of the loyalty point, or may get some discount from the shop. Now the issue with that current loyalty card program is, first of all, the cost of implementation is very high, because of which only big houses are in position to implement it, like Big Bazaar, Lifestyle, Reliance Fresh, etc. And it's not possible to afford that kind of a expenditure by small business houses. The manpower required for the back-end operation in a card-based program is very high. And one more thing is that personalization of the card, like printing the name of the customer, etc., and dispatching of the card to the customer address is always an issue. Generally, whatever loyalty card programs are available are the standalone, and the loyalty earned by the customer is not very high and is not very useful for them. So customer is not in position to get a decent discount or not in position to get a decent gift item after earning these loyalty points. And apart from that, maintaining a manual gift catalog is also a big task. So virtually the current loyalty card program which is available in the market are just a showpiece in your wallet without having a much of the value. And slowly customers are losing the interest over a period of time. Like here is the actual wallet picture, and here you'll see lot many loyalty cards are there. Each card is having some or other point, but none of the cards are giving actual benefit to the customer. So that is what is the real story everywhere. So to overcome all this problem, I'm going to give an idea like you should develop a mobile based multi partner loyalty program. For developing this, what you have to do, you have to talk to the businessmen in your area, in the surrounding area, and discuss with them this concept like okay, I will give you the loyalty, you also give the loyalty, he will also give the loyalty, so that you're engaging with the other businesses, like you are having a grocery shop, then you are engaging yourself with the petrol pump, saloon, ice cream parlor, restaurant in your surrounding area. Once they all are agree, develop and operate the multi-partner loyalty program. In this, what will happen, each merchant will provide a loyalty point basis their profitability. Like say for every 100 rupees, petrol pump may give around 100 points, medical store can give 200 points, grocery shop can give 250 point per 100 rupees, and saloon can give 150 point, ice cream parlor can give something, restaurant can give something, etc., etc. And there will be only one main merchant and rest will be the sub merchant. That concept I'll discuss. The main merchant will be responsible for managing the application, maintaining gift catalog, distributing the gift on behalf of the application, collection of the loyalty amount from the sub merchant, etc. will be the main merchant responsibility. However, the enrollment of the customer can be done by the merchant, sub merchant, or anybody. So if you'll implement this kind of a thing, what will happen? I'll give you an example how your customer, your business and other business will be benefited. So if you are having a mobile based multi-partner loyalty program, and your customer is going to say petrol pump, grocery shop, medical shop, saloon, ice cream shop and restaurant, etc. So now what is happening, at various places different loyalty points are being given. Let us say on petrol pump is spending 2500 rupees in a month and is getting 100 loyalty point per 100 rupees. So in a month he will accumulate 2500 loyalty point. Similarly on grocery shop he will earn 12500 loyalty point. Medical shop 2000 loyalty point. On saloon he spend only 100 rupees and 150 point is given by them, so 150 point. So in a month, if you'll see with this kind of a businesses, a customer can earn 20,900 points, which customer can utilize these points for a purpose of claiming some big discount or some big gift item. I just wanted to tell you one thing, like the value of the 1 point, which will be equivalent to 1 paisa, 1.5 paisa, 2 paisa, that can be decided on a mutual consent. According to the gift catalog can be designed. I'll inform you that in the time of bonus card, the value of 1 point was 1.6 paisa. I here would like to caution, in a loyalty program, the leakage of loyalty is a serious issue. Like your staff has given the loyalty point to a customer, whereas he has not actually purchased the item from you. So to control this, you can have with the latest technology like OTP based confirmation or QR case based confirmation that you can discuss with your software developer. So now what are the things you need to do to implement this kind of a application? You need to have two applications. One is a merchant application. You can develop it as an Android based platform because it is a mobile based loyalty program. And second is a client application which you can put it in a Google Play Store. In merchant application, there will be main merchant and sub merchant. The enrollment of the sub merchant and their offering means how much point that particular sub merchant want to give on a purchase of 100 rupees. Then creation of the gift catalog can be done in this application. The main merchant should be in position to raise the debit note to the sub merchant towards the loyalty offered by their business. So this money will be collected and can be utilized whenever the redemption request will come. Then redemption of the loyalty point to the gift item will be done through this application. Enrollment of customer and distribution of loyalty point will also be done through application. However, you can have the feature like sending a greeting message to all customer, like say on a new year, you can send a message, Happy New Year or welcome to year so and so, which will be going to all of your customers. However, in the client application, which will be available on the customer mobile, like list of the merchant and their offering, he can see at what places this loyalty program is applicable. He can see the gift catalog and redeem the point against any gift. He can update their own profile like mobile number, address, etc., and he can be in position to see the history of transaction. So that is what is about the mobile-based multi-partner loyalty program, which you can develop with a group of business. And let me tell you, with this kind of a program, you will definitely get a very good success, and your business will grow, other businesses will grow, and your customer will be happy because he is earning enough loyalty points. As I told you, these applications may be readily available on a Google Play Store. You may search it, or otherwise you can contact Mr. Sunil Kejriwal on this email address for the development of such application for you. I hope you must have liked this video, and thank you for you all for patiently watching this video. I once again request you all to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so as you'll get an immediate alert as soon as I'll post a video here. Thank you.